Hi, I'm Billy Dale, owner of BDR Custom Guns, and what we've got here is a Remington Model 700 that's been converted into a long-range muzzle loader. We build these rifles at our shop along with lots of other long-range custom rifles. We're going to try this rifle out here today at 500 yards. This rifle right here has been chronographed at 2,850 feet per second, shooting a 275 grain Parker production bullet. Let's go to the range. Hey, we're at the range now. We're going to go ahead and load this muzzle loader up. .73 grains of smokeless powder, .275 grain Parker production bullet, no sabot, put our muzzle brake back on. And this right here is one of the most important features of the gun, is our ignition system, which consists of a small case with a magnum primer. Hey, this is Ricky Davidson. He's our load developer here at BDR Custom Guns. He's already made the sight adjustments for 500 yards, and now he's going to take a shot. Hey, we're back here at the shop now, and as you can see how effective these rifles are out to 500 yards and beyond. It goes to show that with a good ballistic calculator, a good rangefinder, and a scope like these Night Force or Husqvarnas, with the repeatability of them, you can make shots 5, 6, 7, 800 yards and beyond with these muzzle loaders. I just thought I would touch on some of the components that we use in these muzzle loaders. This right here is an HS Precision stock. It's a very good stock. We use these and McMillan stocks. As far as the barrels go, these are 45 caliber Krieger barrels, and we also use Brooks barrels. This right here is just a heavier one right here. A lot of people like the extra weight. This particular one right here is real popular. It's a lighter version. They both are very accurate and they both do the job. If you would like to have any more information on the long range muzzle loaders and any of the other rifles we build here at the shop, see the contact information at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.